Hello, welcome to Soup, Salads and some more. Today I am again in the some more section, but it is not going to be vegetable or sabji or side dish. It is a lentil pie, and lentil I am using the pink lentil, which is very fast cooking. So let us see what are the ingredients we need to make. So these are the ingredients we need for lentil pie. Now you can see there is no oil, there is no butter, there is no cheese. So this dish will not have those things. Now this is the lentil, pink lentil. I have taken 3/4 cup of that and 1 cup of corn kernels, 2 potatoes, 1 onion and 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, mixed herb, black pepper and salt. So what we do, we chop the onion and wash this lentil, keep the cold water, in that you add the washed lentil and the chopped onion, bring it to boil, let it boil for 10 minutes, simmer it down and then cook it till it goes tender. Switch it off. If any extra water is there, you can drain it. So after that, we will mix the potato, which is pressure cooked or boiled completely, peel the skin out and we will mash it, mix with the cooked dal and we will boil this, and boiled corn will also go with it, rest of the spices, and we will just grill it in the preheated grill for 10 to 15 minutes or till you get the top little brown. So here is my potato boiled and peeled, the skin is out. I'll just mash it nicely. And with the masher you can mash it. In goes the boiled lentil with the onion. It goes in the potato. Here the boiled corn. While boiling, I add just pinch of salt and pepper. That goes with it. Mix nicely. To enhance the taste, I am going to add a tomato ketchup or tomato sauce, anything for your taste. If you catch hold of some chutneys, you like the taste, you can always add some chutneys, which is only for the tangy taste. So anything to your taste. Goes the salt according to the taste. Pepper powder and little mixed herb. Teaspoon of mixed herb. Mix nicely everything. All nicely mixed. Goes into a glass bowl which is oven proof. I have cut some onion in rings which will be on top of this mixture. Rings of onion. And just you have to grill top layer till it goes nice crispy and brown. We are not going to bake it, we are going to grill it. Already all the ingredients are cooked, so just you have to grill the top and enjoy it. So it will go into the griller now for say 10 minutes because preheated, and just check it out. If the top gets brown, you can remove it. So here is my lentil pie after grilling. It's ready to eat and enjoy. It's quite hot, so that's why I'm holding it with a bamboo plate. Hope you will try this. You will really love it, and there is no butter, oil or any kind of cheese which is fattening. Enjoy lentil pie. Till I come back, TTFN.